My refrigerator is a mess, and we've been out of town, so I need to go to the grocery store. I can't put anything new in this fridge until it is cleaned out. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the April edition of Clutter Free in 2023. This is a collaboration that I started in January, and every month a bunch of us YouTube creators get together and we create videos of us decluttering spaces in our home. This month has to be my refrigerator. I've let it go. It has just kind of gotten out of control. And since we've been out of town, I have to go to the grocery store today. But there's no room in my refrigerator for me to put anything new. So I have to get it cleaned out. I'm going through all of my little bins, looking at dates on some of the stuff. Some of the stuff I know is new, like I know it hasn't been in there very long, but there are some things that has been in there for a little while. So I'm checking expiration dates, throwing stuff away. We had a ton of leftovers in here, so I definitely had to get that cleaned out. But I'm also gonna see if there's anything that I can consolidate, and you will see that in just a little while. But if you need to get some refrigeration cleaning done, then this is hopefully the perfect motivation for you. But you're gonna see what I get from Walmart. I had to go do a little grocery shopping, and so I have a small little grocery haul that I want to share with you. So make sure to stay around and see what all I got. I do want to tell you that there's going to be a link to the collaboration playlist in the description box below. So make sure that you go to that list or go to that link and check out all of the other people that have contributed to this playlist. They're going to give you a lot of decluttering motivation. So if you're not finished after my video, then go on over there to theirs and get the rest of that motivation that you need to get it done. Also, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like cooking, recipe ideas, shopping hauls, home decor, home organization, then I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and take a minute to leave a comment below and introduce yourself. Here's everything that I got out of the fridge. Half of it is like store-bought stuff that needs to be thrown away, but the other stuff is leftovers that need to be thrown away. All right, it wasn't a huge grocery shopping haul, but this is what I got from Walmart. Let me start over here. So I got some crinkle cut fries for one of the dinners this week. I got some black beans and some Southwest corn for another dinner. We needed some more cuties. This is for one of the dinners that goes with this. I think I'm gonna make Jamaican chicken or jerk chicken rice bowls one night. Oh yeah, and I got this to go with it, this Caribbean rice. So that's gonna be dinner one night. And another night, I'm going to use this bourbon pork seasoning for some pork chops. Got some pork chops. Then I got some Cheez-Its because I love those. I decided I'm gonna make my own kind of little snack pack things. So I got some pepper jack cheese, some pepperonis, and some Stacy's pita chips that are fire roasted jalapeno. Sounds delicious. I needed some more of these Chobani flips that I like. I got some strawberries. They did have these grapes on sale, so I saved 52 cents on those. I got some ground beef because one night I also got these jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage kind of hot dogs. So one night I'm gonna make hot dogs and I'll make my own chili, which that's gonna be another meal. We needed some sour cream. I did find these keto buns. I'm gonna try the keto buns. I needed some milk. I needed some more Epsom salt and bubble bath. And actually this is new, I think, black elderberry. So I'm gonna try that. My son eats bagels. He makes breakfast sandwiches on bagels. I am using these chicken strips for the Jamaican jerk chicken meal. Then I found, which I hardly ever find deals at Walmart, but they had these on clearance, so I figured I would put these in the freezer. I saved $2.79. I got each of them for $3.69, and then they also had the cheesy broccoli bake for $3.30. I saved $3.18. So yeah, I will put these in the freezer to use when I need a quick side. And so yeah, this is what I got from Walmart, and all of this was $117 and some change. So now I'm going to put it up. Now that I have my refrigerator cleaned out, I can put all of this up and get started on dinner for tonight. Let me know in the comments below, what type of refrigerator do you have? Do you have a side-by-side, or do you have a freezer on the top, or do you have a freezer on the bottom? Let me know. Mine obviously is on the bottom, and I thought I would really love it, but I'm not so sure that I'm sold. I feel like I maybe don't have as much room. I don't know. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. I just want to say a thank you to everyone who takes the time to watch my channel, watch my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I just want to thank all of you for subscribing that have subscribed. I am almost at 2,000 subscribers. I just can't believe it. So I'm trying to push for that 2,000 by the end of the month. But anyway, I also want to thank everyone that took part in this collaboration. Make sure that you go visit their channels and show them a little bit of love. Again, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you love this sort of home content, then click the subscribe button. I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. And if you want more cleaning and organizing motivation, then make sure you check the box that you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.